How to clear WhatsApp storage. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear WhatsApp storage. If your WhatsApp is taking up too much space on your phone, I've got you covered with easy steps to free up some storage. So let's jump in. First things first, open your WhatsApp and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, what you need to do is go to the settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, scroll down and tap on storage and data. Tap on Manage Storage. This will show you a breakdown of how much space WhatsApp is using. Here you can see a list of chats and media files that are taking up the most space. Now that you've seen the storage breakdown, let's clear up some space when managing individual chats. Now, what you can do is simply tap on here, click on select, and you can choose to delete one, or you can simply choose to select all and delete it like this. And you can do that for all the chats that have the highest number of MBs taken up. For this picture as well, simply click on select and simply click on delete. You can do this for all the chats, and as you can see, our storage is decreasing. And that's it. Now you know how to clear WhatsApp storage and manage your space more efficiently.